Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can rotate image in Photopea, and it will be a quick step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, we already give an image in here. So I just want to rotate this image. So how I can do it? Like right now, you can see I can only place the address in here, but we can change the place in here. So how we can change the rotate and give it as we want? So here you just need to select this transform control. So once you select over here, then you just need to click on distance. You can see the distance, or now when you click on transform controls, you will get to see these options where you can easily rotate this one, and in this balance you can see that the degree we are able to see. So if you click on this one, you are now able or easy to rotate this one. You can rotate this one as it you want. You just need to be drag something over here like 90 degree. You can see it's already been done. So this way you can rotate the things easily on Photopea. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.